Welcome to OphirPh, Pearl of the Orient City Travel Guide. Explore more than 7,000 wonderful Paradise Island, experience and immerse to the Maharlikan culture of Yar. Baler is the capital of the province of Aurora. It is situated on the east coast of Luzon, fronting the roaring waves of Pacific Ocean and enclosed by the mountains of Sierra Madre. The town's relative isolation has preserved much of its historical sites, cultural heritage and tradition that are all deeply rooted on its vibrant past. Baler is Baler. It has unique identity and charm that sets it apart from other places in the country. Have a bit of adventure, a lesson in history and commune with nature. Visit Baler. Please subscribe in our YouTube channel and follow and like us on Facebook #OphirPh. And visit our website at www.ophirph.com for more travel guide and tips. Despite being a small town, Baler is incredibly popular as a tourist destination. It's located on the beautiful east coast of Luzon, in Aurora province, and has one of the top surf destinations in the country at Sabang Beach. How to get to Baler? From Manila to Baler, Genesis Transport Service is the only bus company that plies directly from Metro Manila to Baler. Their Baler-bound buses are located in their Cubao terminal. The executive luxury bus called Joy Bus, a non-stop service strip with snacks on a sleeper bus with Wi-Fi, a bus stewardess, blankets, pillows and a morning kit. There are at least 3 trips a day, with travel time of 5 hours and 750 pesos, November 2014 rate, fare. Advance reservation is required. The regular Aircon bus that travels 6 to 7 hours for a fare of 450 pesos, advance reservation is not necessary. Although Genesis has a published schedule of the trips, the schedule of the regular Aircon bus is almost always not followed. Joy Bus from Cubao to Baler are set to depart at 12:30 am, 1:30 am, 2:30 am and 5:30 am, while the regular Aircon bus has supposed to have hourly trip from 2 am to 8 am, but it also depends on the volume of passengers. It is advised to be in the station early if you are taking the regular Aircon bus, and be attentive of the announcement and updated schedule, since there is no proper way of queuing or ticket issuance for the regular trips. Where to stay in Baler? For solo backpackers, Jam and Jans Lodge offers single fan room for as low as 700 pesos per night. The place is along the street parallel to the beach, right beside Costa Pacifica. On non-peak season, you can get the room for as low as 600 pesos. They also have rooms for 2 guests. The place is equipped with free Wi-Fi. For groups, Junsei Manil Homestay is a good choice for those in budget. They have rooms that are big enough for 5 persons for as low as 2,000 pesos per night. The place is along the beach and right beside Baler Inn. Free Wi-Fi too. Where to eat in Baler? When in Baler, dining should not be a problem. The major hotels in Sabang have their own restaurants that are open to public. Kubli Bistro, Crash Pad Baler, Aliyah Surf Cam Restaurant, Baler's Inn, Bays Inn Hungry Surfer Restaurant and Baler Surfers Grill are some of the most popular restaurants in the area. My personal favorite is Kubli Bistro with their good pizza, paella and other Mexican and Filipino foods. Baler's Inn is also worth a try with their tuna carbonara and longanizo aglio olio pesto, as well as their chocolate on Alabama mode. If you are into buffet, Chef Jerry Shan's place in the plaza is the place to be for only 199 pesos per person. Nightlife is limited to restaurants along Sabang Beach. What to do in Baler? Surf. 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 Most resorts offer board rental and tutorial. Add to this are the standalone kiosks along the beach. The standard rate is 350 pesos per hour for the use of surfboard and service of a guide. For board rental only, 200 pesos per hour, 400 pesos for half day, and 800 pesos for whole day. Scuba diving, snorkeling, other water sports, paragliding, paddle boarding, kayaking. Tour Baler by visiting these attractions: Aniao Islet, Canoa, Dicasalarin Cove, Mother, Dichumabo, Falls, Ampere Beach, Diguizit Beach, Dinadior and Beach, Ermita Hill, Aurora Aragon Kesm House, Museo de Baler, Baler Church, Canayan Falls, centuries-old LINKTREE. Try rappelling in Digizit Falls. Explore the beaches, caves, waterfalls and other attractions of the neighboring town of Dingalan, Dicasalarin, Casigaran, Dipaculao, San Luis, and Dilasag. Go camping in the secluded beaches and coves. Trek Mount Udok, Mount Pamazam-pazam, Mount Anakyao and Mount Maaling-Alin. If you have any comments or suggestion, feel free to comment below. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe in our YouTube channel and follow and like us on Facebook #OphirPh. For more travel guide and tips, visit our site at www.ophirph.com. Do not forget to click the notification bell.